Hi, welcome. This is the next one I'll probably be doing, the Tamiya 135 British Special Air Service Jeep. It says it contains a crew of 2. So there's the start. As you can see, I did lose one of these parts, so this is just a bit of plastic card. And as with a lot of Tamiya, they go together so easy. Also made a start on one of the figures, which is very handy. I do have quite a few figures I have purchased, but now Tamiya seem to include figures with their kit. Comes with quite a few accessories, including quite a few jerry cans, which I believe were originally German design. I'm not sure, but it'd be interesting in the comments to see if they were. I might look that up and see if they were. You seem to get quite a few. The other figure to do. The actual tyres now are in one piece, apart from the rims you have to put on the inside. But on a lot of kits as well, it's 2 parts, and then you get a nice seam line that you're gonna have to fill that's down the middle, and sometimes you lose some of the tread pattern. And with the gun, it looks like you can have, I haven't checked, a single or twin Vickers machine gun. For the painting, to me I actually say dark yellow. I happen to use this a lot, Desert Yellow, Valero, and they've even said about, you know, if you want to weather it. It's the first time I've actually seen it on Tamiya. I've just noticed, like with the weapons, what appears to be either, looks to me like an MP40 or an MP44. I don't know, I haven't been through the instructions yet to see what this is. This is all the instructions just for making the vehicle. There doesn't appear to be much in it. I don't think it's one of Tamiya's best ones. And then the other one's just for the figures and the figure painting. It doesn't seem one of the best. So there it is, the British Air Service Jeep. So it doesn't seem as good as some of the Tamiya kits, but normally once you've finished and painted, you can get normally a reasonable job done with them. Well, thank you for watching, and see you next time.